It's recording right now.
Oh.
You sure?
Yep.
Okay.
Hey, I got
$2.
pull it out.
About to staple my arm.
Hey, got the needle
slide out. You suck.
I think you gotta press it.
He's shedding blood.
You gotta hit it harder. Stop flexing too.
I'm not trying to flex.
Just let it loose, man. I don't want you squirting blood all over my fucking face.
Go right in.
I don't think this shit is easy as you see I saying it
Use
is.
that white paper.
Just press it.
Trying to kill your ass, man.
Use the back of it to do a slapping motion. Hold it by the back. Just smack
There you
it
go.
like that.
That didn't work at all.
That's the way to do it. Well, school staples are better.
Leave that one side there and staple my thumb.
Are you gonna do it or what?
I'm working on it. Did you not see me just fucking beat the fuck out of myself? I'm bleeding already.
I don't want to hear no complaining. It's $2, right? You don't complain for $2.
Look at this shit.
I'm not.
Look at
I'm
that shit.
working on it.
On the table.
I've been hitting my. Look, you've been watching me. I'm attempting. I'm working really hard.
Bill Gates blew up the first time he tried to make a computer.
We didn't. Oh, you fucking.
Alright, I'm stopping it.
You know this?
That shit fucking.
Oh man, I'm gonna have a gut like lager.
Alright,
After like 8 months.
that's the way to do it.
I need a mechanic.